We operate entirely out of California, but we're starting to get some work out of state. We've been working on these kind of facilities since before they were dining facilities, since they were mostly bike lanes with painted posts. And the approach is very similar, where we're working with the businesses and the community on what materials they're going to be in the ground, who's going to maintain them, what they're going to look like after a few years. We're working with the city on who's going to pay for the materials, how they're going to be implemented in the ground, and all that logistics needs to be done in the plan sets and in the spec. Now, this is very different from typical design bid build projects. We're approaching it from a design build project where we take on the liability and responsibility of making sure that it's a successful project, and we collect all the data and information from the community and the businesses, and we relay that back to make sure that we're actually performing it the way we want to. This is very different from typical design bid build process, where it's a blame game between the designer and the bidder and the contractor, and nobody wants to take responsibility. In this kind of effort, we take responsibility. This way we ensure success for the city, and we ensure that they take ownership over all the new materials that they're purchasing. Honestly, it's groundbreaking for cities to take ownership